let me introduce you to Diamond. She's a junior majoring in digital media production with a minor in journalism. A member of the Black Student Union, she's definitely found her voice at UNI. Diamond has also developed a diverse group of friends writing the student paper and also working as a resident assistant. Tossing it over to you, Diamond.
Thanks, Alex. My journey at UNI actually started through participation in multiple programs on campus while I was still in high school. I participated in UNI's Multicultural Visit Days and a week-long summer program through the College of Education. Initially, I didn't want to stay in Iowa for college, but I knew UNI was the right fit for me. With over 270 extremely diverse student organizations on campus, UNI offers opportunities for any student to get involved. I am currently a part of the Black Student Union and a writer and editor for our school newspaper, The Northern Iowan. We also have a student organization called Digital Collective, where digital media majors, or those interested in digital media, get to connect and enhance their creativity. I've built long-lasting friendships because I have been involved on campus at UNI. Whether working in the dining center, athletics, or as a resident assistant, it seems like I have done it all. Attending a predominantly white institution can be very intimidating. The Center for Multicultural Education, or CME, serves as a hub for underrepresented populations at UNI. You can find people who look like you and speak the same language there. We also have a Gender and Sexuality Service Office, which supports LGBTQ+ students, and the Military and Veteran Student Services Office. UNI gives our underrepresented populations a voice to speak. The University of Northern Iowa has taught me how to have grit and face challenges, and also how to have a good time. I have made a difference at UNI and have realized in my time here that my voice matters. I plan on using my skills that I have learned at UNI in my future career as a producer, creating films and documentary that covers life's complex realities, representing the underrepresented in beautiful and positive ways. Thanks for listening to my story. Back to you, Alex.
It's amazing to hear how Northern Iowa embraces students from all backgrounds and orientations. The Center for Multicultural Education sounds like a wonderful spot to engage, listen, and learn. Thanks for sharing your experience with us. You're a real gem, Diamond.